are you from, boss?
Salah.
Are you from?
Salah.
Why are you recording?
What you recording, boss?
Salah.
Huh?
Salah.
I said what? I said we're recording, boss.
Salah. Salah.
You said what?
Salah. Salah.
You don't speak English?
Salamillah. Salamillah.
Huh?
Salamillah.
Hello, how you doing?
Salah.
What are you recording?
Hamsi. Hamasi.
Huh?
Hamasi. Salah.
You're a sheep?
Hamasi. Hamasi.
You just took a picture, a video of me and my company. By law, public. It's public records. Can I get a copy of that, sir? It's public records. No? So whatever you do, don't delete that, okay? If you delete this, that's a felony. Okay? Please don't delete this. I want those pictures, all right? I don't mind you recording me, but it's public. And I have the right to get it too. So how can I get my public file, sir? Oh, wait, hold on, wait. If it's closed, he can't do nothing. There's no expectation of privacy in the public eye. He's just a journalist probably, but there's no expectation of privacy in the public law, in the public. So you can't expect privacy, but you can't close it. Now, this is the first time we've seen it. We come back again and again and again, then be harassment. So we can just close it up right now. I'm not worried about it. Hey. But he has to give us that. That's now public records. So if he deletes that, without giving me a copy of mine, then that's a felony by crime. Woo, smart. Hey, look. They can look it up right now. Sir, I'm gonna need that record, okay? It's public. Don't delete it.
Salah.
Don't delete it. Come on. Hold on.
Salah.
Here. Huh? Here's the best thing he's doing. He has the right to do that for you, huh?
Why are you recording? Huh?
Salah.
Huh?
Salah.
You don't speak English?
Salamihala. Salamihala.
No. I'm gonna call the cops on you.
Salamihala.
Call the
Salamihala.
cops, but don't call the cops when it's on. He called the cops and say, sir, this person's recording me. I know it's legal, but by law, that's public record now. If you delete it, you can be charged by a felony because that's a public record and he knows that. So
Salamihala.
it's okay. I know, hold on. I know it's okay.
Halamela.
No, you look at my law, boy.
Halamela.
That's public record, so I'm gonna need that, okay?
Hala.
Does Allah mean yes?
Halamela.
Hala,
Halamela. Halamela.
hala.
Halamela.
Hala. Oh. All I need is my public record. Are you gonna provide public record, sir? Lift it up. Make your arm stronger. Hala. Lift it up. Just keep quiet. If you don't want to see, then do that. He can report for what he can see, but if he comes on this property, government doesn't pay for it.
Hala. At least somebody was educated here. Slightly. I don't know about the public record thing. I think some law enforcement.
Sir, can I get the pictures you took of me? I don't mind you taking them. I just want some public record. Can I have those? No? Can I have those? It's a public record. Can I receive those from you anyway? No?
Salah.
Public record?
Salamela.
Public record?
Salamela.
Public record?
Salamihala.
Public record? Can I have my... Can I
Hala.
subpoena you for them?
Hala.
What does hala mean?
Halamela.
Are you Muslim?
Halamela.
What
Hala.
about my public photo you took?
Halamela.
Where is it?
Hala. Hala. Halamela. Hala. So we'll take pictures of those cars over there thinking they're mine.
distance, right? Boom, got a picture of him. I got him good. Still behind that car, my boy.
Salamela Mamon. Halamela Mamon. That wasn't even my car, you dumb dick. You just wasted your time walking over there for nothing. That's not my car.
What you say?
I ain't got no cheap ass car like that. You think I roll like that or what?
Oh, you do speak English?
You think I roll like you or what? You think I roll in a cheap ass car like you or what?
Yeah, I hope not.
Yeah, I hope not. You went to go take pictures of that cheap ass car. It looks like yours. You got the wrong car. My car's across the street. My car's across the
Oh, you
street.
big man. Oh, you big man now, what?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me guess. The only reason you're mad is because you think that
Because you went to the wrong car,
I don't know
man.
my country. No,
You went to the
it's
wrong
right
car.
one. No, I know it's the right one.
With your leather mask.
All you could say was halala.
With your pleather mask, man.
Halala. Halala. That's all you can say.
Hell
I
yeah.
had a car now.
Hey, I got you, right?
I don't want to have to.
I
I'm
got
not
you,
doing
man.
nothing wrong. You're not either.
I
All
got
I
you.
want is my public forum. That's all I
I
want.
got you, man. I got you.
Well, can you email then? I don't need your name. Email. And I'll send you mine.
Hey, I don't roll like that, man. Sorry. Walk away, man.
You look an amateur this time.
Walk away, man. I don't
real
need it. I
cameraman when they got
don't
mad?
roll that way, man.
Why you speak English now?
I don't roll that way. Go
Why
away.
you speak English now?
Go away,
Why
man.
English now?
We ain't exchanging
English now?
information. Go away.
Why English now? What happened to halal?
Is it against the
English
law?
now?
What, is
Why
that
English
against the
now?
law or what?
Why English now?
Because I want to.
Why now?
Because you're a
It's your
crybaby.
car,
I
that's
wanted
why.
to,
Look
I
at
wanted
that,
to let you
baby.
know that you're a crybaby and you walked over there and wasted your time. Bye-bye, crybaby. Later, crybaby. Hey, I'm glad you got some exercise. Yeah. Later, crybaby. Hey, later, crybaby. Okay, crybaby. Oh, okay, crybaby. Dun-dun. That's all that comes out your mouth. Dun-dun. Triggered. 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 Look at you. That's called the walk of shame. Woo, look at that. He walked all the way down over here. He thought that was my car over there. Look. You see that car way the hell over there? He walked all the way over there. And then said, I got you now. I got the picture of your car. And now he's walking all the way back to his shop over here. Look. What? That's a walk of shame. That's the walk up and the walk away of shame. And he's gonna make a left into that building on the left there. If he can get there. Dang. Triggered. What a crybaby.